Hello, my name is Tok. I just would like to introduce you about my country, Thailand, and now I live in Bangkok. I'm gonna give you some tips or some place that or the food or something in general about Thailand, and maybe you will have some idea in case you like to travel here. So hope you enjoy later on with my videos and see you for the next time. Bye bye. Hi, I'm still in the Lumpini Park in another section. So actually here you can see the Waran as well. They just have a sunbath or something look like that. Show you that.
Надо будет брифинг ставить, да.
Страховку, да.
Да не, он вроде начала.
Вы потом для страховой отправьте это. Можно я здесь буду?
Не, подойди чуть-чуть.
Куда по чуть-чуть? Я вот так боюсь.
So it still look like he have a sunbath there, and he's quite fine. Does not feel any scared of with the people around.
Мой друг. My
So,
friend.
and then after that, I'm gonna show you a little bit down here. Behind the bush, there is like a cock house. There, but I will show you later. I think here in the lake, there are more of the warrens or Komodo Dragon here, and even there also you can see. There as well. As well there, one there just like only the part of the head just coming up over the water. See that? Then I'm gonna pan more around. So I just pan the camera around. You can see the white here as well in another section of Lumpini Park. And this is not in the front part yet, but you can see there as well the hot house there behind the trees, and I'm gonna walk up there so I can show you one more time with the Warren.
Короче, я вот туда буду.
Walk around.
Да, его не очень видно.
It's not like crocodile. Crocodile can eat you.
Ну таки да, конечно.
This one is just like
Близко села.
yeah, protect himself.
Look like he's very friendly. Does not show any scare at all.
Поднял голову.
Don't know if he's friendly or not.
So up there,
Поднял голову.
I'm gonna walk more further down there. I can show you about the pork house. And you can see the sign that just say that don't let or leave the water animal in the lake. It's a forbidden and prohibited. And then I just walk further down there. You can see the pork house there as well. And this is like a recreation park called Lumpini Park. And this is, look, they have architecture of the clock house there. It looks more like a Chinese on the top there. I think the clock is already there because the time is not right, but anyway you can see more on the top there, down there. So you walk further down and then let's see how it looks like. Quite beautiful, very old, I'm not sure that I can tell you a little bit of their history, but I think it should be because it looks like they have a sign there to tell you what this is. Or they could say that the daughter of the King Ramanai just like a kind of open and have the ceremony here to open it officially, and it's called Hor Narika Tukataram Thai. It means like a cock house of the Thai doll, Thai dancing dolls. It's Tukataram Thai. It means like a Thai dancing doll, and it's a clock house as well, which I don't see it so far. For the maybe it's inside for the doll, but they close it now. So basically, it's here, and I'm gonna pan that one. That one is like kind of an exit way. Okay, I'm gonna walk back a little bit there to show you more. And it's very old cock house. Because it is open since 27 December 2545 year. I mean year 2545, which I have to convert it back in AD later on. So alright, so I hope you enjoy and have some vibe a little bit here in the clock house section part of Lumpini Park, and see you later. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you have any comment or any idea or anything that you would like to know about Thailand or Bangkok, just let me know. I will try to find the answer for you. And it would be great if you can support my channel by press the like or give me the subscribe. So it will be help to and support my channel. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.